We are discussing about the topic determination. I told you determination is a matter of habit. It is developed through our parents, friend circle, co-workers, or people around us. Maybe that someone may inspire you from sitting outside. For example, you may see a leader who may be inspiring you, who has a lot of determination, we can see. Now we are going to another point. Ambition develop determination. Ambition in your mind develops determination in your mind and body. Suppose you want to reach a place or a senior position, then you will develop gradually determination very easily. For example, you decide that within another 1 year you want to become a senior, or you want to get promotion, or you want to get some increment, you will see automatically a element of determination comes into your mind or body. So man should have ambition. The ambition can be short one or longer one, that we'll discuss in some other topic. The for the time being we are saying that ambition develops determination. Without ambition there is no use of determination. Next, it is also possible desire to make more money can create determination, but I am of the opinion without definite ambition or target, we cannot have an idea of making more money. For making more money, we should have a path, we should have a direction, we should have a procedure so that we reach the position called richness through our profession or employment or business, like that. So, desire to make more money is a genuine one, genuine ambition a man should have, a nation should have, a family should have. And the moment you have it, there is going to be a full strength of determination in your body. But I always add that for attaining more money, we should have a proper path. It may be employment, it may be business, it may be profession, it may be something other, it may be art or something. But money can be earned only through a process of hard working. Only making money, having a dream to make money cannot be a determination, cannot bring a determination. If you are an employee, you can become rich through your employment. If you are a businessman, you can become more rich by doing better business, vast business, developing the business. This is a common rule what I am talking. You cannot have a determination that I will get lottery one day. It is not possible. That can be no determination like that. You can go on buying lottery tickets, but lottery cannot be got by your determination. You can purchase lottery tickets, You may get or you may not get it. So, when we are talking about determination, first thing, determination is a habit that has been developed gradually in the body. Next, I am of the opinion if you are having good circle of people, parent or friend or somebody who is having a very good determination, they can inculcate that idea, inculcate not only the idea, the habit inside of you. There are all possibilities. Then I told you ambition brings determination. You should have an ambition, long-term ambition. We will discuss this ambition point in some other time. Desire to make money can be a determination that should be clubbed with your ambition or employment or profession or some other way of bringing money to you. Today, I am stopping here. Tomorrow, in our next session, we will continue this topic, how to derive determination by having certain habits inside of you. Please note that you are going to big bang one day once you develop determination inside your body and mind. Mind it. You have to develop a determination in your body. You have to devote some time daily to talk about determination, think about determination, to think about your target. That is important. Thank you. We will see tomorrow.